Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the turn signal switch in a 2008 Chevrolet Equinox. You can see here I put my turn signal on and I turn the wheel and it does not disengage. It never goes off no matter how much I turn the wheel. That's on the left side. Try it on the right side. It's pretty much the same thing. So my turn signal switch is no good. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. I'm going to start out underneath the steering column. There's 3 bolts down here, and I'm going to use a 7mm socket to remove all 3 of the bolts on the bottom of the steering column. You see they're just small bolts holding the cover for the steering column in, and they come right out very quickly and easily. So once I get those out, I'm going to separate the 2 pieces of the cover around the steering column. It just slides apart. You can see there's a little clip here and back here. And then I go to the other opposite side and it just pulls right apart. Now I have to push down the steering wheel adjustment lever and the bottom piece will slide right out. Once I get that out of the way, you can see the new one here. I've included the part number for you. And it has little clips here. That's what I'm going to use to hold it in place. There's a couple of plugs and it's pretty straightforward install. So I'm going to push down on the 2 clips, one on the top and one on the bottom, and that will allow it to slide out somewhat. It hits on the wires a little bit, so I'm going to disconnect the first wire, then I can pull it out and disconnect the second set of wires here. You can see there's a little clip here. I have to gently pry up on that with a little flathead screwdriver, and that one will slide right out. Now I've got my new one. Just snap the new wires into place, and I can get this back in now and push that in until it snaps. If it doesn't snap in all the way, you can see it's not going in all the way. I'll take my flathead screwdriver and push the little clips down into the slot just to make sure that it's in tight enough and engaged. I want to slide my bottom cover onto the steering adjustment lever, and then I can work my cover up into place, get it lined up where I want it to be. Once I get it lined up on both sides, I can then reinstall the 3 screws in the bottom part of the steering column. And again, that's using a 7mm socket to put these bolts in. Once I get this back together, I'll show you what the issue was with the previous switch unit. But now I've got it together, I'm going to go ahead and test my turn signals. I got the left one on and I turn my steering wheel to the left and it disengages. I have the right one on and I turn it to the right and it disengages. So that was my problem and I've got it fixed, but let me show you what was wrong here. There's a little tab here that sticks out, and as the steering column rotates around, it disengages this. This one didn't seem to be working, so that's why I replaced it. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.